Well, they actually are extremely different from what you may be used to in the US. In the US, it's very common to have frame construction with sheathing materials, either on outside or inside of the walls or both sides and whatnot. And that's extremely common. In Costa Rica or Panama, construction systems are more geared towards concrete construction, or let's say more of a solid type of construction, where concrete block is used a lot. It's used extensively, in some occasions as a structural load-bearing material, or in some occasions just as a wall material, where the actual structure is out of solid reinforced concrete, and then the concrete block is only a filler. The main thing and the main difference that this brings to any project is that people are not used to giving close look and attention to locations of things throughout the house, meaning plumbing fixtures, outlets, electrical stuff, because in the States, you're very used to just, I mean, if you want an outlet a little bit on a different location, you just cut your sheetrock and move your outlet over a little bit. Here, you actually need to start banging open concrete to be able to do that. So one of the real essential things that we always advise clients is that before you start the actual construction of your project, really take the time with your architect and with your electrical engineers and sit down and go over in a very detailed manner of both your mechanical and your electrical drawings to make sure and really pay attention to where everything is laid out. If you want any changes, make them on paper. Don't make them on the construction, because that's going to cost you money. Since we work with building information modeling software, and each one of our projects is designed in this advanced software, we have really cool and advanced visualization options for our clients. For example, we can produce virtual walkthrough. And when I mean virtual walkthrough, I mean video game-like, and where people can just walk through their house on their computer, or even, what's even more cool, on their own iPads, where then you can just lay back and just start cruising through your house. That way you can really visualize the spaces, and then do that in comparison and just cross-reference that, let's say, with your drawings which are in front of you. And that way you can start visualizing where you want where, and be able to know ahead of time how everything is going to be laid out in your house.